In today's quick tutorial, let me show you the way that you can connect Discord to your Twitch account. This is going to be a short and easy video, so let's get right into it. Now before we head over to Discord, make sure that you have Twitch logged in to a web browser, and then on the same web browser, open up a new tab, open up Discord, and then make sure that you log into Discord as well. Now once you're inside of Discord, what you need to do is head over to settings, which is on the bottom, which says user settings. You can just click on this option. Once you're inside the user settings, head over to connections. Now this is the section where you can connect a bunch of applications to your Discord. Now here we'll need to just find in Twitch. Click on this arrow if you don't see Twitch right over here. And here you'll be able to see the option called Twitch. Now because you have Twitch already logged in on this browser, you don't need to type in your credentials. It will automatically show up. Just click on authorize. And there you go. It says right here, connected your Twitch account to Discord. And that's it. The Twitch account now has been successfully connected to your Discord account. If you want, you can easily remove it as well by clicking on the cross icon on the right hand side. So that was the video about the way that you can connect your Twitch to your Discord account. I do hope this guide video was helpful. If it was, do let us know by giving this video a thumbs up. That's pretty much it for today. I'm going to see you guys in the next one.